Chat, what's good, chat? Haven't been taking any trades for the past week. Last trade before today, my last trade was on last Monday. So, literally haven't traded in a week until today. Yeah, I lost my trade. Gang, is trading patched or is it just a skill issue? Because, man, especially right now, during this time, during the war, it's been rough for me. I'm gonna say for me, I know people are still doing their thing and not letting anything affect them, but it's affecting me, and I can't control the war. I can't control Trump, what he does as president, but all I can control is my trades and the stuff I'm I'm taking. So let's get into the day. P&L first. Go today. I actually de-risked. Well, I didn't de-risk. I just closed the trade early, and I'll show you why. But to show the P&L, I lost 190 today, and we can go. Here's the week. This is my first trade of the week. Last week only took one trade, 355. Boom. Let's go. I actually don't. Am I up this month? Okay, I'm still partially up. So basically, I'm up. If I would have just took a full size loss, I would have been probably break even, because I would have risked it about 150 something, or like around 180, 180 to 170, 160 and 180 around there, extra. But let's get into the trade. Try to get a continuation short. Just try to get a 1-to-1. I had no really targets. We were sitting in this big fair value gap. I was in class today when I took it. Yeah, I took it right before I was gonna get out. But yesterday we made this big gap because Trump had productive talks with Iran, and that shot the market back up. And yesterday was just nothing to take for me. And coming to market open, we're playing in this gap, but I was still bearish. I mean, look at the higher time frame. I mean, I'm just basing off the higher time frame. What are we doing? I mean, this is disgusting. We're just ranging, consolidating. I have allergies, bro. It sucks. They're not that bad right now, but still a little stuffy nose. But yeah, just ranging, just horrible PA. Just not ideal price action. And then we're just playing this gap. We disrespected this hourly fair value gap too. I wrote that down. And we did make I think we had a bullish SMT right here. Well, at the start, yeah, we did until market open. And then, yeah, I mean, I was bearish. But the trade I should have really took, honestly, was this trade when just as market open, tapping into this 15-minute gap. Should have honestly took this, but I mean, I was in class. I couldn't even look. And today we were doing like some activity, so I couldn't even be on my laptop. We were doing like some partner group assignment and couldn't even be logged in. But yeah, this could have been the trade I should have took potentially. Like just as market open, tap that 15-minute gap. You see exactly what I want to see. I mean, I marked it out too. I mean, after a little bit during the group project or whatever assignment, I had my laptop next to me, but I wasn't like logged in. Like I had to like focus on the assignment, and I was on my laptop just looking at the charts. But yeah, I mean, I marked this out in real time. Just trying to get a 1-to-1. It was probably like right here. It would have smacked, but did not get to be a part of that. And so I was just looking for just a continuation of that bearish trend. If we wanted to keep going lower, 5-minute gap getting filled perfectly. Okay, nice. Can we see reactions out of it? Sure, we did. We got this INVG on the 1 minute, but I just simply like the displacement as well. So we get a 1 minute inverse and nice displacement. I'm entering. Now this is where I wanted to go break even right here, but we were getting out of class around 8:50, and you know, I was walking my way to the coffee shop, and as I sit down, we're probably like at this candle right here. We're in the red, so like I mean, I didn't want to go. It was like too late for me to go break even, in my opinion. So I was just like, okay, might as well just let it play out. Let's see if it just like retraces and then comes back down. It actually looked good. Like retrace it to this gap. 1 minute break or 1 minute inverse again, and yeah, but ended up just I don't know what just happened, but ended up just stopping us out, and I got out around here. Oh, I forgot. I should have kept it open, or I should have kept it on there. This is where I originally would have had my stop. I was just going for a 1-to-1, but I got stopped out around like a 2R, if I remember correctly. And I got out because I was like, well, since I couldn't get out at break even right here, put my stops at break even, I'm just going to put my... If we inverse this gap, I'm going to get out the trade. Just because if that happens, I most likely know this trade's just not going to work out. And yeah, so I really wish I just would have moved stops at break even, or could have moved stops at break even, but I couldn't. I could have, kind of, if we around here when we went up back in profit, but I wasn't gonna do that. But yeah, I mean, that was really the trade. Just and then after that, just straight chop for like an hour or two. Just chop it up, just continuing chopping up, horrible. And then, yeah, around when market was closing, I think there's a ceasefire deal going on. I don't know, bro. It's just I've been not trying to like make it a big deal, like just like it is what it is. Coming in each day, especially during this war time. I've just been coming in just each market open, just like I don't even want to trade. I don't even want to put risk on the table. Like I already know most likely it's just not gonna be pretty, but I'm just still gonna show up. But yeah, that's been my mindset for the past like month or last couple weeks, I should say, not month, ever since the war really. I don't know how long it's been. Apparently it's been since February, which I looked up today. But I mean, yeah, it's just not looking pretty right now for me at least. I know a lot of people in the space are probably doing their thing and making shit ton of money, but you know, it's not looking great over here. So just gotta keep my head down and I guess just be patient for the good time, be patient for the good PA days, and be prepared, be ready to execute when needed. So, yeah, that's really it. Have a good night. God bless.